Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the sweet Indian dessert that is Atte ka Halwa or whole wheat flour halwa. So let's have a look on the ingredients. Here I have taken a cup of whole wheat flour, a cup of sugar, roughly chopped almonds and some cashew nuts. Now put clarified butter or ghee and add whole wheat flour. Stir it until it gives nice aroma. Remember, while stirring, your flame should be low, not on high. So it's perfectly roasted. Now it's time to add some water. Add about 1 to 1.5 cup of water and stir it nicely. There should be no lumps. Add some more water to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk cream, which would give it a nice texture and will enhance flavor. Heat can be now medium-low. The consistency of halwa should be the same. It is nicely roasted now, and add 1 cup of sugar in it. Mix it really well. Time to add cashew nuts for crunchiness. Again mix it. After that, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and roughly chopped almonds. Mix it for the another time. Turn off the flame now and take it out in a plate to serve hot.